In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image using the fill dropdown. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so you can trim an image to the perfect composition without affecting the original file. We'll begin by focusing on the right side of your workspace. That's where the key controls live for whatever object you're working with. Direct your attention there so you can access the settings you need. Next, go to Fill. This is the section that manages how content fills the selected area. When the content is an image, the fill controls become especially powerful, giving you a quick way to control how much of the image is visible inside its frame. Inside that fill area, go to the image icon. You'll recognize it as a small thumbnail style icon that indicates you're looking at image-specific settings rather than a plain color. Heading to that icon confirms you're working with an image fill and ensures the relevant options are in view. Now click on the fill dropdown. This small arrow expands additional options related to the image. Opening it reveals how the image is positioned and displayed inside its container, which is exactly what we need for cropping. From that menu, click on Crop. Choosing Crop switches the mode so you can define the exact portion of the image you want to show, trimming away the rest from view. This is a non-destructive change, so the original image remains intact behind the scenes. Now you can crop the image. You'll see visual controls that let you refine your framing. Adjust the visible area so the subject sits exactly where you want it. Watch the edges carefully to avoid cutting through important details and use on-screen guides if available to keep horizon straight or to center a face or product. If you notice any blank space around the image after reframing, that simply means the container is larger than the visible portion. Bring the sides in until everything fits snugly. For consistency across multiple images, align key features to the same edges or guides so your layout looks intentional and balanced. Remember, you can revisit the same dropdown anytime to refine the crop as your design evolves. That's the whole flow. Head to the right side, go to Fill, find the image icon, open the Fill dropdown, click Crop, and then refine what's visible. With these controls, you can clean up compositions, highlight what matters, and keep your projects looking polished in just a few clicks.